We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Sets, Relations and Functions. And the question is related to the concepts of functions. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 29th June 2022 in the Shift 2. The given question is, let f of x and g of x be two real polynomials of degree 2 and 1 respectively. If f of g of x is equal to 8x square minus 2x and g of f of x is equal to 4x square plus 6x plus 1, then the value of f of 2 plus g of 2 is equal to, it's a numerical type question. We are given fx and gx are two real polynomials of degree 2 and 1 respectively, and it is further given f of g of x is equal to 8x square minus 2x and g of f of x is equal to 4x square plus 6x plus 1, required to find the value of f of 2 plus g of 2. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. Given f of x and g of x are two real polynomials of degree 2 and 1 respectively. A real polynomial means it's a polynomial whose coefficients are real numbers. Because f of x is a polynomial of degree 2, we put f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And g of x is given to be a polynomial of degree 1. We take it as g of x is equal to dx plus e, where a, b, c, d and e are real numbers. Now f of g of x is given to us, so let's now compute what is f of g of x in these terms. So it is f of g of x is dx plus e, so that will be equal to, in f of x, wherever there is x, you substitute dx plus e. You get a into dx plus e whole square plus b into dx plus e plus c. And simplify, you will get ad square x square plus 2ade x plus bdx. Those put together is 2ade plus bd in brackets x, and the constant terms ae square plus be plus c, and it is given to be 8x square minus 2x. Equating the corresponding coefficients, you will get the coefficient of x square is ad square is equal to 8. The coefficient of x is 2ade plus bd is minus 2, and the constant term is ae square plus be plus c. It is not there, therefore it is equal to 0. So we get these terms. Agreed. Let's now go into g of f of x. So g of f of x is equal to g of f of x is ax square plus bx plus c. Get into g, wherever there is x, you substitute ax square plus bx plus c. Thus you get d times ax square plus bx plus c plus e. And simplifying, you will get adx square plus bdx plus cd plus e is equal to 4x square plus 6x plus 1. It is given in the question. So now equating the corresponding coefficients, the coefficient of x square is ad is equal to 4. The coefficient of x is bd is equal to 6. The constant term is cd plus e is equal to 1. So these are the terms what we get. So from these equations of a, b, c, d, e, we have to solve for A, B, C, D, E. Agreed. That we do it in the next slide. So that's what we have done so far. Now AD square is equal to 8, AD is equal to 4 will tell you neither A is 0 nor D is 0. Therefore you can divide. So AD square by AD, that is D, is 8 by 4, that is 2. So having obtained D is equal to 2, substitute in AD is equal to 4. So D is 2, A will be 2. So having obtained the value of D is 2, substitute in BD is equal to 6. D is 2, B will be 3. Like that you will be going on getting the values. So AD square by AD is 8 by 4, that is D is equal to 2. Now take that and substitute in AD is equal to 4, the value of D is equal to 2 in that. So you will get AD is equal to 4, D is 2, therefore A will be 2. Now take BD is equal to 6 and you know the value of D is equal to 2, substitute in that, you will get B is equal to 3. Thus we got D is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Now we go to this one, 2ADE plus BD is equal to minus 2. In this 2A, 2 into 2, D is 2, that is 8E plus BD, BD is already 6, this is 6. So 8E plus 6 is equal to minus 2. So you will get E will be minus 1. 8E will be minus 8 and E is equal to minus 1. So having got these values, go to CD plus E. In that D value you know, substitute. E value you know, substitute. You will get 2C minus 1 is equal to 1 and you will get C is equal to 1. Thus what we have, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2, E is equal to minus 1. So we can write down f of x, that is ax square plus bx plus c, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x is d of x, dx plus e. Substitute the values of d and e, then you will get 2x minus 1. So thus we have got the polynomials f of x and g of x. So we are ready to compute f of 2 and g of 2 and thereby f of 2 plus g of 2 can be obtained. That's the problem. So now f of 2 will be in ax square plus bx plus c, wherever there is x you substitute 2, simplify, you will get 15. And g of 2, get into g of x, wherever there is x you substitute 2, simplify, you will get 3. Now required to find the value of f of 2 plus g of 2, that will be equal to 15 plus 3, that is equal to 18. So 18 is our answer. And it is a numerical type, therefore you have to fill in the blank that by 18. Right. So that is the answer for this question is 18, and that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section sets, relations and functions, and the question is related to the concepts of the functions. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem and I wish you all the best. Thank you.